Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing this syllabus of revision test 3.5. In the last class we discussed chapter 10 Ceremony at Banaras, and today we are going to discuss the questions which have been asked in various year examination from chapter Bholi, from footprints without feet. Okay, so let us begin. Let us begin. First of all, we are going to discuss short answer type questions. Okay, short answer type questions. Okay, they are asked in 2 marks. Okay, dear students, they are asked for 2 marks. Question number 1. Why is Sulekha called Bholi? Why is Sulekha called Bholi? It has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. Why is Sulekha called Bholi? Okay, so as we have seen in the chapter, so Sulekha is called Bholi because she is a simpleton due to her suffering from some brain disease or brain damage, we can say here. Okay, because she was suffering from brain damage as when she was of 10 months, she fell off the bed, as we have read in the story. So we would be writing Sulekha is called Bholi because she is a simpleton due to her suffering from brain damage after falling off a cot when she was 10 months old. As a result, she is not as smart as children of her age. Okay, so this was the reason she was called Bholi. Sulekha was called Bholi, the simpleton. Okay, so now let me rub it and write down the next question. So you must note down all the questions and write down their answers in your own words. Read the chapter once, then attempt all these questions which we are discussing in the videos. Okay. So now question number 2. What happened to Bholi? What happened to Bholi? What happened to Bholi when she was 2 years old? When she was 2 years old. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2011. Okay. What happened to Bholi when she was 2 years old? So we have seen, dear students, when Bholi was 2 years old, she was suffering from chicken pox, which later left the poke marks on her face. Okay, so when she was of 2 years, she was suffering with chicken pox. Okay. So how you will be writing the answer? So Bholi fell a victim to smallpox at the age of 2 years. Her face and body became full of poke marks. She was still fortunate as her eyes had remained untouched and were fine. So only her eyes were left, and rest part of the body was covered with a small pox, which later left the stain of the pox and made her ugly. Because of that, she was looking ugly. Okay, so two incidents. In the last question, we described the incident which took place when she was 2 years old. She fell off the cot, and then we discussed what happened to Bholi when she was 2 years old. So when she was 2 years old, she was suffering from smallpox. Only her eyes were left, and the whole part of the body, rest part of the body, were looking ugly because of the marks which were left due to smallpox. Okay, dear student. So let me rub it and write down the next question. Now, question number 3. How did Bholi react? How did Bholi react? How did Bholi react when the teacher asked her name? When the teacher how did Bholi react when the teacher asked her name? It has been asked in CBSE examination. 2012. Okay. How did Bholi react when the teacher asked her name? Okay. So we have seen, dear students, when the first primary school for girls was inaugurated by Tehsildar. So as Bholi's father was Nambardar in the village, so he was compelled to send her child, as Tehsildar told him to send a girl of any of his girl to school, and for an example. Okay, so because he was a revenue officer, he was a Nambardar of the village. Okay, so when Bholi first time went to school and teacher asked her name, so she was very nervous. It was the first time when she went to school. She had never seen any place like school. So when teacher asked her name, so because she could not speak properly, she was stammering, so she could not complete her name. How did she reply? as it is given in the story. She said bh, 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 bho. Okay, this way. So after 2-3 attempts, after making 2-3 attempts, only then she could tell her name. Okay. So Bholi stammered when she spoke and could not tell her name completely when the teacher asked her to do so. She broke into tears. Okay. So you have to go through the lesson once again and must practice these questions which we are discussing in the videos. They have been asked in CBSE examination. Here has been written against the questions. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question. Next question. Bholi was fascinated by the question number 4. Bholi was fascinated by the Bholi was fascinated by the walls of the classroom. Okay, so Bholi was fascinated by the walls of the classroom. Why? Okay, so dear students, we have seen in the story when Bholi went to school, she saw the animals of the pictures of different types of animals were on the walls, and she found the cow same as her cow Lakshmi, which were sold earlier. Okay, so these are the things which were very attractive for Bholi, as Bholi was seeing these things first time. So that is why Bholi was attracted towards the wall. Okay, fascinated towards the wall. The walls of the classroom had bright and colorful pictures of a horse, a goat, a parrot and a cow. They all looked familiar to Bholi and were like the ones in the village. So that is why she was fascinated to see the picture. Okay, so same lines are given in your textbook. So beta, before answering the questions, before practicing the questions, please go through the chapter. That is very important. Okay, go through the chapter once. Let me rub it and write down the next question for you. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. Okay, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Either you can take the screenshot while watching the video, or you can pause the video and write down. Next, question number 5. Bholi found her teacher to be different. Bholi found her teacher. Bholi found her teacher to be different from others. To be different others. Bholi found her teacher to be different from others. Okay, how? It has been asked in CBSE examination 2014. Bholi found her teacher to be different from others. How? So we have seen dear students, others were neglecting the child, as in the Bholi's family no one was taking her seriously. Everyone neglecting her because of her ugly looking, and because when she fell off the bed, so also she was stammering. So overall she was not considered a normal child in her family. But the teacher, when she went to school, the teacher was talking to her in a soothing voice, okay, and politely she was talking to her. The teacher encouraged her, motivated her. So this way the teacher was different from other people, okay. This was the reason, because of these reasons she found her teacher different from others, okay. So others had always neglected Bholi, they made fun of her all the time, but she found her teacher to be different. Her voice was calm, her manner comforting, and her touch was full of affection, okay. So these were the reason. Because of that, Bholi found her teacher different from other people, okay. Now let me rub it and write down the next question, which has been asked in CBSE examination 2015. What filled Bholi what filled Bholi what filled Bholi, a dumb cow or dumb cow, a dumb cow with a new hope in her, with a new hope in her, okay. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2050, okay. What filled Bholi, a dumb cow, with a new hope in her? So as we have seen in the chapter, Bholi's first day of school brought a hope of a new life. She had found the loving and kind teachers who motivated her, encouraged her, who were talking to her politely, okay. So the encouragement of the teacher filled Bholi, a dumb cow, with a new hope in her, okay. So others had always neglected Bholi, but Bholi's first day of school brought a new hope, brought a hope of new life. She had found a loving and kind teacher. The teacher had inspired her and given her a book and had made Bholi feel comfortable about herself, okay. So these were the reason. Because of that, Bholi filled with a new hope. Now question number 6. Sorry, question number 7. Question number 7. In what way did the village change over time? In what way did the village in what way did the village change over time? Okay, in what way did the village change over time? So we have seen in the story that in the beginning there were no schools for girls in the village. So it changed, earlier into it converted into a city gradually. Okay, so basic amenities were not there, but gradually, in the beginning, we have seen in the story there was no cinema hall. Later, they have cinema hall, they have schools for girls. So, thus, great development have been shown in the village. So the village changed into a small town over a period of time. The primary school had become a high school. The village had a cinema and cotton ginning mill. The mail train also stopped the village railway station. Okay, so these were some changes which took place in the village. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. What objections does Ramlal have? Does Ramlal have to what objections does Ramlal have to Bishambhar's proposal? Ramlal have to Bishambhar's proposal. Okay. What objections does Ramlal have to Bishambhar's proposal? So we have seen in the story, dear students, so Ramlal was not very happy with the proposal. He did not like the fact Bishambhar was of his age. Earlier, Ramlal was not ready to accept Bishambhar as groom of his daughter. He had a limb and children were quite grown up. He had a limb, Bishambhar Nath had a limb and children were quite grown up. So it was not a very satisfactory proportion. It was not a very satisfactory proportion for him. So that is why he did not agree. So these were the objections the Ramlal having and not wanted and did not want to accept Vishambhar Nath's proposal. But later we have seen how Bholi's mother made him agree. Okay, so go through the the story you will get to know all the things, how she told that no one would marry with Bholi as she was ugly looking, and she was also lacking the witness, she was stammering, so wittiness. So these were the things. Okay. So simply in the beginning Ramlal had objections for because he was aged, Vishwambar was aged, and he was having children too. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question. Question 9. Why do Bholi's parents why do Bholi's parents why do Bholi's parents accept Vishwambar's marriage proposal? Accepts Vishwambar's marriage proposal. Why do Bholi's parents accept, it should be accept here, accept Vishwambar's marriage proposal? So we have seen in the story, dear students, Bholi's father Ramlal was not ready for this marriage. He did not want to Bholi get married to this man Vishwambar Nath, but Bholi's mother, she opposed Ramlal, Bholi's father, and she told him that Bholi was ugly looking girl and she was also stammering while speaking, so no one would be ready to get married to her. So that is why they were compelled, Bholi's father as well as Bholi's mother, so they were compelled to get Bholi married to that man Vishwambar Nath. Okay, so Bholi's parents accepted Vishwambar Nath's marriage proposal because they were happy that he was well off and had not asked any dowry. So first, he was a rich man and he did not demand for dowry in the beginning. Okay. Moreover, they were also thinking that Bholi was an ugly girl and also she could not speak properly. So Vishwambar Nath would be the suitable person, okay, to get Bholi married. Now, question number 10. This question has been asked in CBSE examination 2015. Okay. Let me rub it and write down the next question. Question number 10. Why did Vishwambar's marriage, why did Vishwambar's marriage with Bholi not take place? With Bholi not take place. Why did Vishambhar's marriage with Bholi not take place? Okay, so we have seen in the story Vishambhar's marriage did not with Bholi did not take place because he had demanded a dowry. He had demanded a dowry of 5,000 rupees, okay, from her father for the marriage. So Bholi refused to marry him. This was the reason Bholi refused to marry Vishambhar. She was ready to marry him even if he was an old person, but when he demanded for dowry, then she refused to marry him. Okay, so we have discussed this question has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. Okay, so we have discussed 10 questions from this chapter which have been asked in various years CBSE board examination. So you can practice more questions from CBSE samplepapers.info. From that site, visit that site and practice more questions. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.